Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy S26 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here, let me go back, here we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's tap on the screen lock and biometrics and enter your screen lock if you've got one. Now let's tap on fingerprints and tap on continue. So here we've got the registration help. You can read it or not. Just tap on register, and here we've got the sensor. So simply put our finger on it, and now we have to do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition, of course, different angles, different parts. Okay, just tap on done. And this is our fingerprint section, and that's the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it. We can add another fingerprint or check added fingerprints. We can decide for what we want to use our fingerprint for, basically for the fingerprint unlock. I don't see any kind of other option here. We can decide whether the fingerprint is always on. We can show icon when the screen is off, on always on display, or tap to show, or never. It's up to you. And we can show animation when unlocking. So to lock the device, so now all we have to do is to lock the device and check if it is working. So as you can see, the device is locked. I cannot really see the sensor, but it is right there. So let me put my finger on it. And as you can see, the device is unblocked. And it means that we just successfully added the fingerprint. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.